Mm. Mm. This is my perfect combination. Hey guys, if you can't tell, I've already had a few. Usually when it comes to chocolate chip cookies, I always share. But I never think about sharing until I had one too many cookie, and it's just like that sugar is hitting my heart and my throat, and I start getting scared like, ooh, you think I'm gonna have diabetes tonight? That's when I'm like, I should share these before I finish them. Finish them!
Finish him!
Chocolate chip cookies is one of my favorite ultimate comforting desserts. It's so easy. It's like when you're sad and you walk into a gas station and they have chocolate chip cookies. Oh my god, I sound like my life is so sad. It's like a dessert that never fails to give you comfort. The way I acquired this specific recipe is actually during my teenage years. This lady would bring in chocolate chip cookies or like chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. I would exhaust her. I asked her every time she brought cookies in. I asked her every time I see her, every time she's breathing, if I'm next to her and she's breathing, I would ask, I'm like, hello. Therefore, I treasure this recipe. And then like go through your life, like you start collecting recipes from people that are around you. Every time you eat that particular dish, it's cool. It's cool. You think about the people that have affected your life. And that's, to me, is a very nostalgic feeling every time I eat this cookie. It's perfect to where the ratio of crispness to gooiness, you know, brown perfectly. Never, like, it has crisp. If you can't hear it, you hear it. But it's not like breaking apart because like it's still gooey, you know? It's still like gooey, you know? Ooh. So yeah, let's talk about this. Tip for baking. I don't pride myself as a baker. I think baking is very hard for me because I hate following rules, and baking is just really about chemistry. I love cooking because it's more like intuition, it's a feeling, it's an art. It's like, oof, I'll add this, I'll add that. Taste as you go. Baking, it's like measurement. You're a scientist and you're like looking at your beakers and like mixing in the stuff and like following the steps. And if you effed up, you won't know until it's done and you're just like, why did I put 3 hours into this? So I don't like baking for that reason. Make your dough or batter, whatever it is, take a little bit of it, bake it first. If it's a cupcake, if it's a chocolate chip cookie, bake one first. If it comes out perfect, go ahead, you know, because that way you get to fix, you get to walk back through the steps. Did I miss something? Did I add too little of something? What can I do to fix it if there's a way to salvage it? Like, so yeah, that's my tip about baking. Anyways, I think I had 3 to 4 cookies too many. I feel like I'm about to nap. It hit the spot. So before I go, please don't forget to comment down below. Maybe your favorite place to grab cookies, your favorite recipe so I can recreate them. Or if there's something you want to see me make, let me know. Let me know and I will do it. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe and send some love. Follow me on my Instagram, on TikTok, and I'll see you soon.